Why are feathers of the yellow Oriole bird and the bald eagle used in the sunrise ceremony for Apache girls? In the month of April, the Oriole bird migrated from southern Mexico to the Hagotela region in southeastern Arizona. It is here in the Hagotela area where the Oriole birds found their mates from April to late May. The Oriole birds have one mate for life. In early July, these birds return to southern Mexico, returning the next spring with their young. The bald eagle also has a mate for life. The mating occurs in the northern Arizona mountains. In early February through late March, the male bald eagles fly south to southern Arizona to hunt prey. Apache men would take a few feathers from the bald eagle after it had fed on a large animal or would visit nesting sites in the mountains. The male feathers of the Oriole bird and the bald eagle are used in the sunrise ceremony to teach the youth and to reinforce the importance of keeping Apache families united. Young Apache girls were selected to have the Nahi-S, or sunrise ceremony, as a way to recreate the life cycle of Mother Earth, Nigustan, and her sacred relationship with Sun, Chona'ai. The holy beings who gifted the Apaches the sunrise ceremony reminded how the Apache people should abide by these teachings in order to survive and sustain themselves through hardships and challenges. In the Apache creation story, Mother Earth, Nigustan, and Sun, Chona'ai, journeyed together in a sacred relationship, bringing spiritual and physical life into existence. Our Apache ancestors practiced and lived by this ancient traditional value system as a way to survive and sustain themselves. This value system is deeply embedded in the sacred Apache lifeway. It's